And welcome back to my channel. So today's video is an exciting one. It is another Princess Polly try on haul. I've got a little bit more glam on than usual because I filmed this makeup look for my Instagram, so they'll be up soon. But Princess Polly have so many cute like autumn to winter styles on their website. So I picked up quite a few pieces and I didn't actually realize that most of what I chose was like beigey neutral tones, but I guess that's just like what I'm gravitating towards more. I think like lighter beigey tones look really cute, especially with winter fashion. Like when you can layer all those colors together, they just look really cute. Princess Polly have given me a 20% off discount code again, so I'll leave that on the screen, but I'll leave everything as always in the description box down below, as well as all the links and sizes to all the pieces. So without any further ado, let's get started. So this is the first set. I am obsessed with the material. Like look how, like it looks soft, but it actually feels so soft, not itchy. I did end up getting a small to medium. So this is a Lazy Sunday set in white. Like I said, I'll leave it all linked down below, but this is what the size looks like on me. I probably could have gone a medium to large, but I kind of like how it is fitted on the legs and it's not too tight around my stomach. But if you did want like a looser sort of look, then maybe go up a size, but it does hug the figure really, really nice. And then this is also a really good size for me. I probably wouldn't go a bigger size, but it's just a high neck. Oh, like it's just like a teddy sort of material. It's so nice. So glad I got this because I'm probably just gonna spend the rest of my day in it. It is that comfy. So that's the first set that I picked up. Okay, next two pieces I got was this bodysuit and then these track pant, flare type pants. I'll show you guys anyways, I'll zoom you guys down. But first I got this. I freaking love it. I just love the detail, like the seam underneath the boob. It's really cool and it's just like an everyday like basic that you need in your collection, and the color is really nice. So I did get a 10 in this top and I'm glad I did because it's not that stretchy. It's quite firm, but like I like it firm. So it's the Moving Mountains long sleeve bodysuit brown in a size 10. I am glad that I did get the 10 and not the 8 because usually I would go for an 8 in bodysuit or tops, but I'm glad I did get the 10. That's what the back looks like. I'm actually not wearing a bra, so it's not see-through at all, but it's really, really comfy. It's just like a tight sort of like cotton bodysuit. Then I got the Comfiest velvet trackies. Well, I wouldn't really call them trackies because they're a little bit, I would say they're dressier than trackies, but you could still obviously wear them around the house. But I think these are mainly for like going out sort of like style trackies. So I'll show you guys what they look like. They're so cute. I also forgot that I did get some boots as well. So when I try on some of the other outfits, I will pair them with the boots. But these are the Motel Abili trouser in size medium, and I'm glad that I did go a medium in these. Otherwise, if I got a small, I think it would be a little bit too restrictive. So these are the trousers and they do flare out at the end. So I would style these pants just as I am now, like with a bodysuit underneath. You could also wear a cute crop, you could wear a crop jumper, you could literally wear them with anything. And like I said, these can be worn lounging around the house because they're super comfortable, but also you could dress them up like I have and wear them out because they are just so, oh my God, they're so soft. I'm so glad that I ended up getting the medium because they fit me really, really well. So they are the second two picks that I got. Okay, so I've just put the skirt on. I think I'm gonna need to take this back for an 8 because it's a little bit too big. And yeah, this is the 10, although how cute does it look with the bodysuit? I'm obsessed. And I also have the high boots on, which I'll show you guys as well. But oh my God, I am obsessed with this skirt. I just think this color combo looks amazing. Just like what I said before, like I feel like all neutral tones sort of go together, like light beige and then like a brown. So cute. I love this outfit. Okay, don't mind my pasty legs, but these are the boots. Both of the boots are from the brand Bellini, but honestly, I am all for skirts and high knee boots. Like they are just amazing with this outfit. It would look so cute with a black like shoulder bag or a clutch, but How cool are these boots? And they're really comfortable, like they're not tight around the legs. I have tried on some like knee-high boots before and they just haven't really like fit my legs properly, but they're really like roomy in the leg area and obviously fit my feet as well. So yeah, that is the second outfit. This is probably more of like a date night sort of winter vibe, but I love it. I love the slit in the skirt as well. Okay, so this next top I've also paired with the same skirt and I've clipped it up at the back so you guys can see what it looks like, a little bit more tight fitted. But I actually love this turtleneck because it's not super tight. Like I kind of like that it is more relaxed. So this is the Malibu jumper in small to medium. So it is made to be more of a looser fit, which I really like. And I've also paired it with one of their necklaces, which I think looks really cute against turtleneck tops. And I'll also try on these boots that I got two with it. Oh, I'm just obsessed with the texture. It's like, not like pebbly, but it's got a bit of texture to it. So I did get these ones in a size 7 as well, and they are also by the brand Bellini. Actually, I feel like people wear their socks above their boots. Is that like the new trend? Probably wouldn't wear these particular socks with it because they're sport socks, but we'll see. Okay, here are the boots. So these are the boots without the socks above. Oh, they're actually really comfy. They're quite high, but I really like them. And then these are the boots with the socks up. Kind of liking it. It's quite a cool vibe. I probably wouldn't wear these exact socks. Maybe even like, I don't know, a plain black pair or even like a nude pair, a brown pair. I don't know. What do you guys think of the socks above the boots? I actually love these. These are my favorite black boots that I think that I have right now. Obsessed. Okay, so I think this may be my favorite piece so far, and it was definitely my first selection when I went onto the website. I saw it on the homepage and I was like, I need it. I just love this detail. So I actually extended my necklace so you guys can see it. If you wanted to wear like a necklace really long so it goes straight through, that would look really cute. But I love how there's a gap between the turtleneck. It's a really thick material. It feels really, really good quality. It's actually by the brand Twin. It is the Reason Knit top. It's in a size small. So yeah, it fits me really well. Obviously it is a little bit more oversized, but how cute does it look with the skirt? I didn't actually plan on styling these two together. Like I was just gonna put a pair of A-brand jeans that I have from Princess Polly on, but I think this outfit looks really, really cute together. It's just like really cash. If you don't want anything really super tight or tucked into a skirt, wearing sweaters over the top of skirts are a vibe. I freaking love the look. It's just so casual. It's kind of like effortless, but it just looks really, really classy and cute. So yeah, this is definitely my favorite piece out of the whole collection. I absolutely love it. Okay, so I just put on those Motel Trackies again so I can show you guys two crops that I picked up as well. Every time I go onto Princess Polly, I want this top, but it's always sold out. So I finally got it in my size, the size 8 Layla top in beige. So yeah, this is a really good fit, and I love that it's not see-through. You can like see your nips if you're not wearing a bra, but that's kind of obvious when you're not wearing a bra, but you can't see anything else. And I kind of love the back as well. It goes all the way up, and then it's a high neck. I find that these types of tops look really cool when you pair them with trackies. Decided to get this one because it's just an everyday staple. Gotta love a crop. Then I also got this one, which is super cute. It's kind of similar in color, but it's more of a pale pink and it's ribbed. So this one's in a size small to medium. It's called the Motel Top Pink Top. Oh, this one's nice. So this is the other crop that I got. I love the plunge. This would look really cute paired with some jeans, but it also looks really cute with the trackies as well. So it's just a little plunge top, and then the back is like this. I'm also not wearing a bra, so it's not see-through, and then it just buttons up. You can, if you want, sort of button it like this. So you can have that undone, or if you want it to be like buttoned from the top up and then just have those two showing. Just really depends. I love the shape of it, and it's really thick. So yeah, it feels really good quality, and it would literally go with anything. Okay, so I know I said that jumper was my favorite item out of the haul, but I actually really love this. So I did get this one in a size 10, just so it is a more looser fit. This is the Mateo top green. I love the two-tone, the cream and the green. These are the jeans that I was talking about. So these, I'll put the camera down so you can see, but these are some Offense jeans and they're like a mum style. So they're quite fitted around the waist, which I kind of like for a change rather than something quite loose. If you did want that fitted jean look up the top, but they're still flared at the end and they do sort of go fitted here and then they sort of flare out past the knees, but I really like this style of jean. I'll try and jump on and link this one as well, but they are quite true to size. This one's a size 10. It's not super restrictive, but I wouldn't say that these are a stretchy jean material. So if you're looking for a stretchy jean, these are probably not for you, but they are firm, which I do like. Like sometimes I just would rather be firm. Like it gives you some shape. And yeah, it does actually fit around my waist as well. Like sometimes I find with boyfriend style jeans, they'll always fit me like around the legs and stuff like that, but then the waist is always a problem. Like it always does gape a bit, but I literally have jeans that gape out this much. Also wear this top if you did want to unbutton the bottom as well. I'm pretty sure it's styled like this on the website. Just kind of like that. So then you've just got these 3 buttons to kind of hold it together. But if you just want a more casual look, absolutely love. So this material is not itchy or anything. Like it's actually quite thick, like a really good quality thick material. But yeah, I freaking love this outfit actually. I think this is my favorite top so far. Okay, so here's the next bodysuit on. I have had to put nipple covers underneath just because this one is quite see-through. But yeah, I just use the silicone ones. Like I'll show you guys. They're so freaking easy. And they're reusable as well. Like I've literally worn these like 15 times. But yeah, you just put them on if you don't want to wear a bra. But yeah, this is the other bodysuit. I absolutely love it. As I said before, I just love the seam detail underneath the boobs. It's just really cute. But yeah, you could obviously wear something like this with some trackies if you want that more casual look, but I just thought I'd show you guys it with the mum jeans. So yeah, love, love, love this bodysuit. I didn't actually put it on properly. I just tucked it in. But yeah, that is the next bodysuit I have. And then the last thing, sorry, is a dress. So I'll pop that on now. Okay, so I'm shook with this dress. So I originally picked this up to actually pair with this jumper because I love that kind of look, but I like this dress on its own. It's actually really nice and flattering, and I did not think it would because it's white and tight fitted, although it's not like super, super tight. So it is did I take it off already? I must have taken the tag off. I think it's by the brand Lioness, but obviously it's on Princess Polly. This one is in a size small, I believe. Hold on. It's a size medium. So this is what the dress looks like. I'll show you guys zoomed down. I actually really like the size on me. I think if I got a small, it might have just been a little bit too tight, but how gorgeous is it just for a really casual dress? And it has a slit here. It's actually quite high, but I don't mind it. Like obviously you can't see your undies, but these with some boots, I might even put these boots on so you guys can see. Put these up. I actually love it. I'll obviously put the jumper on as well over top. Yeah, I just wanted to show you guys what it looked like. Oh my God. I'm feeling myself. I love it. It's so freaking cool. So I'll put the jumper on over the top and I'll show you guys what vibe I was going for. Let me just pull this up. The socks with the boots actually look really cool. I think I'm vibing it. I think I like it. Okay, so show you guys what my vision was originally for this dress. So yeah, you kind of get the gist of what I mean. Like I feel like this bit sort of, I don't know, puts me off a little bit, but like just imagine a jumper like this. Hold on, like that. Just over the top of a slip dress. I just love it. I love that look. It's effortless as well. But like I said, I just love this dress on its own. Like I'm gonna take this off and look at myself again. I just got lipstick on it. Wow, trust me to get freaking lipstick right there. Sweet. Okay, let's just do one last little twirl in the dress. So that is everything that I picked up from Princess Polly. I hope you guys enjoyed my haul. Let me know if you guys want to see more from me, and I will leave my discount code on the screen as well as all the links for everything that I just tried on in the description box down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.